नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम JVN Dr. Rupesh M. Likhar, Assistant Professor, Department of Kriya Sharir, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will discuss the second part of thyroid gland. Let's start. Function of thyroid hormones. Thyroid hormones have two major effects on the body. First, to increase basal metabolic rate, and second, to stimulate growth in children. Thyroxine increases the metabolic activities in most of the body tissues except brain, retina, spleen, testes, and lungs. It increases BMR by increasing the oxygen consumption of the tissues. The action that increases the BMR is called calorogenic action. In hyperthyroidism, BMR increases by about 60 to 100% above the normal level, and in hypothyroidism it falls by 20 to 40% below the normal level. Action on protein metabolism. Thyroid hormones increases the synthesis of proteins in the cells. The protein synthesis is accelerated by first increasing the translation of RNA. Thyroid hormone increases the translation of RNA in the cells. Because of this, the ribosomes are activated and more proteins are synthesized. Second, by increasing the transcription of DNA to RNA. Thyroid hormone also stimulates the transcription of DNA to RNA. This in turn accelerates the synthesis of proteins in the cells. Third, by increasing the activity of mitochondria. In addition to acting at nucleus, thyroid hormones acts at mitochondrial level also. It increases the number and the activity of mitochondria in most of the cells of the body. Thyroid hormones accelerates the synthesis of RNA and other substances from mitochondria by activating series of enzymes. In turn, the mitochondria increase the production of ATP, which is utilized for the energy required for cellular activities. Fourth, by increasing the activity of cellular enzyme. Thyroid hormones also increases the activity of at least 100 or more intracellular enzymes. These enzymes accelerates the metabolism of proteins and the carbohydrates. Though thyroxine increases synthesis of protein, it also causes catabolism of protein. Action on carbohydrate metabolism. Thyroxine stimulates almost all processes involved in the metabolism of carbohydrate. Thyroxine increases the absorption of glucose from GI tract. It enhances the glucose uptake by the cells by accelerating the transport of glucose through the cell membrane. It increases the breakdown of glycogen into glucose and accelerates gluconeogenesis. Action on fat metabolism. Thyroxine decreases the fat storage by mobilizing it from adipose tissues and fat depots. The mobilized fat is converted into free fatty acid and transported by blood. Thus, thyroxine increases the free fatty acid level in blood. Action on plasma and liver fats. Even though there is an increase in the blood level of free fatty acids, thyroxine specifically decreases the cholesterol, phospholipids, and triglycerides level in plasma. So, in hyposecretion of thyroxine, the cholesterol level in plasma increases, resulting atherosclerosis. Thyroxine also increases deposition of fats in the liver, leading to fatty liver. Thyroxine decreases plasma cholesterol level by increasing its excretion from liver cells into bile. Cholesterol enters the intestine through bile and then it is excreted through the feces. Action on vitamins metabolism. Thyroxine increases the formation of many enzymes. Since vitamins form essential part of the enzymes, it is believed that the vitamins may be utilized during the formation of the enzymes. Hence, vitamin deficiency is possible during hypersecretion of thyroxine. Action on body temperature. Thyroid hormones increases the heat production in the body by accelerating various cellular metabolic processes and increasing BMR. It is called thyroid hormone induced thermogenesis. During hypersecretion of thyroxine, the body temperature increases greatly, resulting in excess sweating. Action on growth. Thyroid hormones have general and specific effects on growth. Increase in thyroxine secretion accelerates the growth of body, especially in growing children. Lack of thyroxine arrests the growth. At the same time, thyroxine causes early closure of epiphysis. So, the height of the individual may be slightly less in hypothyroidism. Thyroxine is more important to promote growth and development of brain during fetal life and first few years of postnatal life. Deficiency of thyroid hormones during this period leads to mental retardation. Action on body weight. Thyroxine is essential for maintaining the body weight. Increase in thyroxine secretion decreases the body weight and fat storage. Decrease in thyroxine secretion increases the body weight because of fat deposition. Action on blood. Thyroxine accelerates erythropoietic activity and increases blood volume. It is one of the important general factors necessary for erythropoiesis. Polycythemia is common in hyperthyroidism. Action on cardiovascular system. Thyroxine increases the overall activity of cardiovascular system. Action on respiration. Thyroxine increases the rate and force of respiration indirectly. The increased metabolic rate increases the demand for oxygen and formation of excess carbon dioxide. These two factors stimulate the respiratory center to increase the rate and force of respiration. Action on gastrointestinal tract. Generally, thyroxine increases the appetite and food intake. It also increases the secretion and movements of GI tract. So hypersecretion of thyroxine causes diarrhea and a lack of thyroxine causes constipation. Action on central nervous system. Thyroxine is very essential for the development and maintenance of normal functioning of central nervous system. Action on skeletal muscles. Thyroxine is essential for the normal activity of skeletal muscle. Slight increase in thyroxine level makes the muscles to work with more vigor. But hypersecretion of thyroxine causes weakness of the muscles due to catabolism of protein. This condition is called thyrotoxic myopathy. Action on sleep. Normal thyroxine level is necessary to maintain normal sleep pattern. Hypersecretion of thyroxine causes excessive stimulation of the muscles and central nervous system. So the person feels tired, exhausted, and feels like sleeping. But the person cannot sleep because of the stimulatory effect of thyroxine on neurons. On the other hand, hyposecretion of thyroxine causes somnolence. Action on sexual function. Normal thyroxine level is essential for normal sexual function. In men, hypothyroidism leads to complete loss of libido, and hyperthyroidism leads to impotence. In women, hypothyroidism causes menorrhagia and polymenorrhea. In some women, it causes irregular menstruation and occasionally amenorrhea. Hyperthyroidism in women leads to oligomenorrhea and sometimes amenorrhea. Action on other endocrine glands. Because of its metabolic effects, thyroxine increases the demand for secretion by other endocrine glands. So here we end the second part of thyroid gland, in which we studied the functions of thyroid gland. In the next session, we will study the applied physiology of thyroid gland. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.